Okay, so discuss natin ngayon yung trigonometric function. So, trigonometric function derivative formulas. Okay? So, sulat ko ngayon yung mga formula ng derivatives natin. So, we have 6. So, number 1 is the derivative d over dx of sine u is equivalent to cosine u du over dx. And then number 2, we have the derivative of cosine u is equivalent to negative sine u du over dx. Number 3 formula, we have the derivative of tangent. Tangent u is equivalent to secant squared u du over dx. And then number 4, we have the derivative of cotangent u equivalent to negative cosecant squared u du over dx. Then panglimang formula, we have the derivative of secant u is equivalent to secant u tangent u du over dx. Number 6, we have the derivative of cosecant u is equivalent to negative cosecant u cotangent u over du over dx. Yan. So, lahat ng formula natin to is i-multiply dyan. May multiplication dyan, nakadat. May dot yan. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, let's proceed now to our example. Okay? So, examples. So, number 1, we're going to differentiate the function y is equivalent to sine 3x. Okay. So, yan, ililet natin. Mag-let tayo. Let u is equivalent to 3x. And what is the derivative of u? Du over dx equivalent to 3. Using our formula for sine, so we have dy over dx is equivalent to y prime. So, cosine u, di ba? So, ang u natin is 3x. And, lagyan natin ng parenthesis na ganyan para mas malinaw. Tapos, du over dx, di ba? Yan ay 3. So, that means, i-multiply lang natin to dito. Di ba ang formula natin dyan? Derivative of sine u is equivalent to cosine u du over dx. Okay? So, sine, ito na siya. So, cosine, ito, tapos yung u natin, yan. Tapos du over dx natin, itong si 3. So, simplify lang natin, y prime is equivalent to 3 cosine 3x. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? Ayan na siya. Now, let's now have our example number 2. Example number 2 for the function x equivalent to cosine 4t. Okay? So, cosine 4t na tayo. Let u is equivalent to 4t. And du over dt kasi yun yung domain natin. Okay, so derivative niyan is 4. Using our formula, d over dx cosine u is equivalent to negative sine u times du over dx. Yan. So, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. So, now, dx over dt is equivalent to negative sine, ano yung u natin? 40. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. And ano yung du over dt natin? 4. Ayan. So now we will have dx over dt is equivalent to negative 4 sine 4t. 4t. Ayan. So, ito na yung final answer natin for the given function. Next. Sample number 3. Okay. Sample number 3, we will have problem for tangent. So, W is equivalent to tangent to theta. So, ang domain natin is si theta. So, let U is equivalent to theta and du over d theta is equivalent to 2. Okay? So, ano gagamitin nating formula? Ito. D over dx tangent u is equivalent to secant square u du over dx. So, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, now, we have dw over d theta is equivalent to secant square u. Ano yung u natin? 2 theta. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. And then yung du over d theta natin is 2. So now, we have our final answer. dw over d theta is equivalent to 2 secant square 2 theta. So, ganyan lang siya. Okay? Number 4. Number 4, example. So, we have for cotangent. So, y equals cotangent 5x. So, we're going to use the formula d over dx. Cotangent u is equivalent to negative cosecant square u du over dx. Yan. So, dito mag-let tayo. Let u is equivalent to 5x and du over dx is equivalent to 5. So, dy over dx is equivalent to y prime equals negative cosecant square u. Ano yung u natin? 5x. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Multiplied to 5 kasi yun yung du over dx natin. So, simplify lang natin. Y prime is equivalent to negative 5 cosecant square 5x. So, this is our final answer for example number 4. Next, example number 5. Example number 5. Example number 5 for cosecant problem. So, y is equivalent to 6 secant pala. Yan. So, gagawin natin yung formula d over dx secant u is equivalent to secant u tangent u du over dx. So, ito yung formula na i-apply natin dito sa problem na to. So, magde-let tayo. Let u is equivalent to 3x and du over dx is equivalent to 3. Okay? So, now, dy over dx is equivalent to y prime is equivalent to secant u. So, secant u, 3x, tangent u. So, 3x. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Then, isama pa rin natin si coefficient natin na si 6. Okay? Nandiyan siya. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Tapos, yung derivative natin na du over dx, which is si 3. Okay, yan. Now, simplify lang natin, y prime is equivalent to 6 times 3. So, ito, i-multiply, itong 6, i-multiply natin. Or, itong 3, i-multiply natin dito. So, same lang, pareho lang. So, we now have 18 secant 3x tangent 3x. Ayan. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? Now, example number 6. Example number 6, a problem for cosecant. So, y is equivalent to cosecant 10x. So, ano gagamitin nating formula? Gagamitin natin yung formula na ito. U yan. U. U. So, we're going to use negative cosecant u, cotangent u, du over dx. Okay. So, coming back to this problem, let u is equivalent to 10x and du over dx is equivalent to 10. Okay? So, substituting, so dy over dx is equivalent to y prime. Equivalent to negative cosecant 10x cotangent 10x parenthesis para di tayo malito multiplied to 10 kasi yun yung d over dx natin. So, ayusin lang natin. Y prime is equivalent to negative 10. So, 10 is multiplied to negative because considered na merong 1 dyan. So, parang 10 times negative 1. Kaya naging negative 10 na agad dyan. Cosecant 10x cotangent 10x. So, final answer. Okay? So, other example problems will be included to my next video.